This video is for replacing the cell dump interlock on a squirty NW40 breaker. It is replacing this piece right here. All the parts on this breaker have been loosened for demonstrative purposes. The first thing we're going to do is take off this little screw right there. It is a ground wire that connects that to the motor. Then you loosen these two Allen head screws. This bracket comes out with a quick little turn to get it out from behind the linkage from the aux switch. First thing you do is you pull the handle down. You'll notice a black long lever that we're pointing at right here. That has to get pushed down. That connects to that linkage we're taking out, so push that down. You can see it's down inside of there is where it connects to the lever we're taking out. Take the lever, pull it out real easy. This is the small style lever, the old style that bends all the time. The new ones have a bigger rib right here. It's wider. You'll see when you get the parts from us, you'll notice that this rib is wider. It's a stronger, more robust cell interlock. The new one goes in the exact opposite way. You pull down and keep that lever pulled down. Slide the new one in, mate it to the hole in the black lever where we're pointing at right there. Let me get a flashlight. If I can see that in there. There it is. There it is. You can see it right there. That's where it mates. Okay? Lift the handle up. And you just put the parts back in the opposite way. The Allen head you need for that bolt is a 5mm. And put that wire connector back on. It's just a Phillips head with a small nut. Tighten everything up and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, go ahead and call Technitrol 1-800-263-1170. Thank you for watching.